Alright everybody, as you can tell, it's been a little bit since episode 1. I mean, I'm trying to get one out every 2 weeks, which I learned is a little difficult. But as you can tell, I went ahead and got a haircut, and I'm gonna be honest, did a lot of work to the truck that y'all really haven't seen. I do have the recording of the stuff, and I'm gonna show y'all it now, but I don't know how well I did with explaining it through this week. Like I said, it's been all over this place working on this truck. Some of the problems I had, like there was a squeak with the belt. My brakes are squeaking pretty bad. I'm getting squeaks back there and up there. And just little things like that. I was running into issues with that. And then at work these past 2 weeks, I've been going overtime every day. So I haven't had much time to play with this truck and explain what I'm doing. But one thing I went ahead to do and did, which y'all remember from the last episode, I painted this whole truck black. The interior, I finished all the black paint, and I got it all done now. So with the black paint, but I went ahead and I splatter painted it, and I do have that recording. I'm not gonna go ahead and show the recording of me starting the video out there. This is gonna be the start of the video because it's just everywhere. So I'm just gonna show y'all the time lapse of me painting the interior. Alright guys, so y'all just saw the time lapse of me painting this interior. As y'all can tell, it's looking good. I really like how it went with painting the interior. Everything came out good. Y'all remember all the little things I had to go and do, all the touch-ups and stuff. Everything came out good. I do have that mirror actually right here. I'm gonna have to get that on. I might get that on in this video. It depends. We got some stuff coming up big for this truck. But yeah, I don't know if y'all are gonna see all that in this video. We'll see. But yeah, we got this all interior painted. Now, like I just said, let me switch the camera. Like I just said, we had some issues with the engine. I don't think I really recorded much of that. I recorded some of it. So I'm gonna show y'all just a little funny clip of what I did. I saw this trick on TikTok, I think. They rubbed deodorant on the belt, and it actually shut the belt up pretty good. So just gonna show y'all a clip of whenever I was messing with that real quick. Alright guys, so I got the hood opened up. I don't know how well y'all can hear me. I'm sorry if I'm a little loud and screaming. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try this little trick. We got this Ross right here. Really wants to see me. Alright, so go. Well, it definitely quiets it up. Definitely works. We know for sure it's a belt now. Right, so as you can tell, that shut the belt up. The little deodorant trick. Got it quiet and stuff, and then after I put the deodorant on, it didn't last 48 hours. I can tell y'all that now. It started squeaking, but it didn't squeak as bad. Then I went, whenever I was working on my tires, I had some WD-40 with me, and I went ahead and sprayed some of that on, and it pretty much got the squeak out, which I will show y'all right here. Oh, sorry about that. The joy of recording with my phone. Alright, so let's crank this thing up. y'all can tell, as y'all can tell, we got most of the squeak out. I think it's going really good. There's still a little bit of a squeak, a little bit of a weird sound, but we're gonna go ahead and fix that up. We're not fixing that up right now, but that's not too big of a deal. It's probably a bearing, and we'll just fix the bearing. Then I'm having, like I said, some brake problems. The brakes are squeaking. They work just fine, but they squeak. So I'm gonna show y'all a video of my failed attempt to get my tire off and start cleaning these brakes. I don't have the proper equipment. I thought that jack would be good enough because it came inside of my dad's work truck. And it's a newer model work truck. You know, it's a heavier truck than this, but I couldn't get this truck up enough with that, so I couldn't get the tire off. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get some like rolling jacks and stuff for this channel, because you know, all these little bottle jacks just aren't gonna cut it anymore. So I'll go ahead and show my failed attempt of doing that. And in the process, I did attempt pretty hard. I pretty much used my whole bottle of brake cleaner. So go ahead and show y'all the failed attempt of that. The little time lapse of me running around doing stuff to this real quick right there. Alright guys, we're getting the truck ready. We're about to go do something. Y'all gonna see that clip, but I think we're gonna end the video right here. Y'all get to see this real quick clip before we end the video. I know it's a little short, but sorry about that. We got a 2-hour drive to go do, and I gotta get this video out on Monday.